change out the rear glass support shocks. Take this off, right? It's a little safety tab. Then you push out the rod. Take this part off right here too, this little clip, and they should pop off. Slide out, pull that out, comes right off. Then we're gonna put the new one on. The new ones, they're interchangeable, so the left could go on the right and the right could go on the left. Get that back into place. Simple process of just reverse order, and like now it should hold up. And you do the same thing for the other side. Now the other side's done, you're good to go.